Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if SoFi has checking and savings accounts. Yes, SoFi offers both checking and savings accounts. They are combined into a single account, referred to as SoFi Checking and Savings. This is an online-only bank, so there are no physical branches. One of the main benefits is that the accounts typically come with no monthly or overdraft fees. SoFi also offers a competitive interest rate on savings balances, especially for members who set up direct deposit. Additionally, some members can earn a small amount of interest on their checking balance, which is a rare perk. The combined account provides a number of useful features. You get a debit card that can be used at a large network of fee-free ATMs. The accounts also have a feature called vaults, which allows you to set up smaller, separate savings goals within your main savings account. Another popular feature is the ability to get your paycheck up to 2 days early with direct deposit. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my